Hello, today we'll be installing Bazzite on a home theater PC handheld slash Steam Deck. All very similar except for the first step. Enjoy. First thing you're going to do is you're going to spam your keyboard. Delete or F12. We're going to change our boot priority. So go over to the boot menu. Scroll down to the boot options. And click the top one and then switch it with the USB UEFI. And then save and exit. And then it should reboot to the screen. And then you're going to want to pick the middle or the top one, it doesn't matter. Some older motherboards might respond better to the top one. But this is a B450M. I just went straight into installing it rather than trying it out. You can see this Linux mumbo jumbo. It'll take a while. I'd say maybe no more than 2 minutes it should take. Unless you did the first one, it's going to have a check. Then I'd say no more than 5 to 10 minutes that screen will take. And then you'll come up with the start screen. See the cursor moving? Here's your language screen. I picked English. I'm connected to the internet now, just making sure. And then I'm going to install this on that. And then you want to reclaim the space if there's already something on it. And then I just hit delete. And I hit OK. And then we proceed. Now this is the long part. I sped this up 8 times. It is it's just unpacking all the material. If make sure you plug your USB stick into the 3.0 slot. Otherwise you'll have problems just like me. But this should take no more than 20 minutes. You could set it and forget it. And then here, I just hit reboot now once it completed. And it should reboot. Then you could take out your install media. And then it'll reboot. This is the first time only thing you hit continue. And it'll load up. Then black screen. See, now it's loading. This will take like 30 seconds. And restart into the boot menu, which is now. And then pick the first one, or just let it auto pick. If you don't like that, you can change that here. I'll show you here in a second. And we did it. We're loaded up into Bazzite. It's going to load up into desktop mode at first, so you can install some recommended apps that we're going to do right here. These are all the app category. Or the first one is the display loader, the Decky loader, and plugins like that. And then on the bottom it'll be a thing saying if you want the title screen to be up or not. So just go through the ones you like, and then it's going to make you do this. I always just do classic, so you don't have to remember a key, and then you can set it as nothing. The password for this is Bazzite, by the way. Once you do that, everything should be good to go. And you're on Bazzite, and the next time you start it up, you'll be at the Steam Deck um, game mode, game scope, or whatever it's called. But enjoy. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Um, follow along for more. Hope to see you guys next time. Bye.